What is up, YouTube beanies? It has been way too long since I've posted a video. Obviously YTO is falling off and I'm not doing that. I don't think anybody is anymore. It just became too much work. Alright, but on a more positive note, I'm just sitting here reading my biology and hopefully I'm going to be hanging out with Elizabeth and David later tonight. But I was just sitting here looking at my view and I'm thinking, I gotta show this to you guys. So, I'm in the wife beater because I just did P90X with David. We've been at it for 2 weeks as of Monday. So, it's a pain in the ass, it really is, but it's worth it. I'm already starting to see some definition in, well, my stomach, but it's on my Facebook if you want to see the pictures there. Rubiksguy, Jameson O'Connor. Alright, so yeah, this is the view from this little reading nook that I'm in here. We just built ourselves a deck. It is so freaking amazing. Got some bird shit on the window there, can't clean it off, it's on the outside obviously. Yeah. Thunder's joining us. And that's the 180-degree view. And I'm going to sneeze.